You're going in the shirt cam here. Okay, let's see if I can move him over. Alright, Houdin. Okay, Houdin. Alright, baby boy. Baby boy. Today we are making Mustang Houdini look a little less raggedy than what he currently looks. A trip to a scrapyard and a trip to Home Depot for some longer bolts due to the damage on the car, and we're getting some installation going. This is the big issue with the car, was the roof. This is where most of the tree's weight that fell down on it was on that passenger side. Now I'm going to struggle to put this together and line everything back up due to the damage on there. And we're going to do that for a few minutes, and then we're going to do the rest of the installation. If you guys would like to learn why I'm building this car back to what it originally was, but a little bit peppier, you guys can check out this video here. That is going to be the full history of Houdini. Well, of course, up until now. Right now, you guys are making new Houdini history with me. The second this thing is running and driving good, I am taking it, as crappy as it looks, out for a drive. I'm so excited to get back behind the wheel of this car, and I'm so excited to actually do autocross in it because this is something I never got to do with this car. I'm also excited to let my little sister Kiwi go for a ride in it. She hasn't been in it, I think, probably in 10, 11 years or so. It's been a very long time. I'm ready to see a little excited Kiwi in my passenger seat again. If you guys are on Instagram or Facebook, you guys feel free to tag me at Displacement Garage. I love to see project vehicles, you racing, just going out there to car meets, having the best time with your vehicle. I would love to help support you guys because you guys are supporting me, and that means the world to me, so I know how much it'll mean to y'all. I've got a couple of driving events coming up soon that you guys will get to be a part of with me, and I'm really excited to let you guys ride on a couple of these because it's going to be really crazy. I'm trying something I have not tried before, and that is going to be an endurance race. 12-minute qualifier, and then an hour of driving after that. I also have another autocross event coming up soon, and then rallycross at the end of the month, so lots of good content on the way for you guys. The amount of bending I had to do on all this metal to even get it remotely shaped back into the shape that it's supposed to be was intense. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Will it hold out water? I hope so. What are your summer plans? Are you guys racing? Are you guys taking the summer off because it's devastatingly hot outside? My goodness. No matter what you do, car related or not, make sure you guys stay in the shade as much as you can and stay hydrated. Don't want any of the homies passing out this summer. Finishing up now, all we need is some weather stripping and this extra little piece here, and then we're good. We're ready to get the door closed in just a second. Thank you so much for your help on this install of this pillar today. Fuel pump, fuel filter, suspension, and tires, and you guys are going to see this raggedy looking thing running down the street soon. You better not even think about eating a hot dog on the 4th of July without some sweet new merch from DisplacementGarage.com. I love cars!